Hi guys, Lisa here from Serendipity's Garden. Today I'm going to be planting a succulent garden in this vintage toolbox. So I've drilled some holes for drainage, I've lined it, and I've filled it with my soil. So I'm ready to get planting. So I'm really pleased with how this turned out. Off camera I did add a few more succulents just to fill it in a bit better and a bit more soil for the pockets, and so pleased with how it looks. So to water this, my favorite way to water succulents is with a syringe, and you can buy this at any farm supply store. I just load it with the water and I just go around and give the plants a good drink at the base. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time.